Welcome back. Today on The Chew, we have a special guest, Janet. She is a scientist that has been studying ribosomes and nucleus. Give it up for Janet.
Good afternoon. I'm Janet Lee, a scientist that studies nucleus and cells. Thank you so much for having me. I hope that after this episode, you'll know all about ribosomes and nuclei.
So in front of us, we have lettuce, chicken, olives, and so much more. I bet the audience is dying to know what we're going to make. Which topic should we start off with first?
Nucleus, nucleus, nucleus!
Nucleus it is! Okay, so to start off with, the nucleus contains all the genetic material in the cell, like DNA and RNA.
So there's only one nucleus in each cell?
Yes, indeed. There's only one nucleus in each cell, but there are three parts to a nucleus.
The nuclear pores, the nuclear envelope, and the nucleolus. The nucleolus is inside the nucleus and makes up RNA and ribosomes.
So what about the nuclear envelope and the nuclear pores?
Well, the nuclear pores, they actually control what enters and leaves a cell. The nuclear envelope is actually a lipid bilayer, and so the nuclear matrix actually helps the nucleus keep its shape and form.
Oh.
Yeah, well, as you see, back to the topic, as you can see, we have all these materials in front of us. Well, firstly, the string cheese, as you can see, represents DNA, because DNA is a double helix, as we all know. And the paprikas represent RNA, because RNA are only one-line strings of information. And the chicken and olives represent ribosomes, and the croutons and the carrots represent other floating organelles in the nucleus, because we all know that the nucleus does not only contain ribosomes.
Let's add them all together.
Oh, and as I go along, please feel free to ask me any more questions. And the nucleus, of course, contains cytoplasm, just like a normal cell does. So we will use the lettuce to represent the cytoplasm within the nucleus.
The olives are circular because ribosomes contain protein, giving them a circular shape.
So a ribosome is just like one sphere?
Yes and no. Let me clarify. Ribosomes are two parts, but in total they are circular. Okay, so now that we put this together, let's put in the
Add the dressing. The dressing represents a protective layer known as the bilipid membrane. This determines what passes inside and outside of the nucleus.
Okay, so the nucleus is actually round instead of being semicircle, so we're going to actually put this on and mix it up. Do you want to help? Okay, let's mix this salad up. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Okay, so now let's have the audience have a taste on the nucleus.
Here you go.
So, as we all know, this is a nucleus salad. We call it the Zhang salad as inspiration from our biology teacher we all had in high school. So how does it taste?
Wow, this is delicious.
Wow, this tastes great, but it was only done in 5 minutes?
Indeed. I'm glad you guys like it.
Thank you.
I loved it.
Thank you for watching The Chew. We hope to see you next time. To find out more information about The Chew, visit www.abc.com/thechew. Thank you.
See you next time. I hope you learned a lot about nuclei and ribosomes with our salad.